Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how can you invite someone on Trello's board. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Chrome or your browser, write trello.com and open up your Trello's workspace. Now go straight to your Trello's board, and after coming on your Trello's board, you'll see this screen. Now you have to tap on share in the right of your screen. Tap on share and it will pop this board on your screen. Now you have to write your friends or your team members' email address or names to share your Trello's board with your friends. Then tap on share. So that is how you can invite someone on your Trello's board. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you like the video. If you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video will help you in any way. It is a pretty much simple and easy process. By following these steps, you can invite someone on your Trello's board.